Good afternoon, guys. It's GoDogs Phone. What you guys up to? Anything fresh, anything new, anything exciting? Well, I just made some milk from powder. I've never tried it before, but this is powder milk, which is, I don't know how well it's gonna taste. I've never tried it before, so I'm gonna try it today. And I've heard of powder milk. Right now I'm just cleaning my fridge out a little bit. Just cleaning some stuff out that's not really good. Kind of good. I'm just waiting for my crap dinner to boil. Yeah. So that's what we are doing, and it's pretty relaxing today. Trying to do some cleaning up, some cupboard space and stuff. So that's what we are doing. So talk to you guys when I am cleaning. So I'm going to show you guys what's in my fridge in a video coming soon. So I have to make sure it's nice and clean for you guys to see what's in my fridge. I'm going to do that video because you guys been requesting a little bit of that. I have to show you guys my room. So that's what I'm doing. Oh, my water's boiling. So put the craft dinner in time. I'm just going to put the craft dinner in. So I hope you guys enjoy this episode. If you guys do, give it a big thumbs up. Okay, turn down the heat a little bit so I don't burn it and stuff. I still have a little bit stuff to go in the pool, but just have to get cleaning a little bit. And I can go. Or I can make a panini out of that sometime. If you guys have any suggestions on some stuff, just comment down below with some stuff. So talk to you guys after when I'm done. So I'm getting today's video, you guys. Yes. But today we did a lot of stuff. We watched Fear Factor. I watched Fear Factor with my parents, which is really nice to do. And just watching some YouTube videos, catching up on what's trending and them stuff. So I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Have a good day. Goodbye.